Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Hey, it's still July the 2nd, 2018, Monday night. For those of you that follow me, you know where I just got back from. Where did I just get back from? Every Monday night, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I go on a date night. We go to the same restaurant that we've been going to for a long time. We know the owner. It's really cool. We're her Monday night, 5 o'clock, sit anywhere table. Anyhow, I am super excited tonight. And no, I don't drink. Haven't drank in 35 years. I just stopped one day. Anyhow, didn't have a problem with it, just stopped. So, do you have 6 minutes and 26 seconds tonight? Do you want to be schooled and educated in what is blockchain? Okay? You know, something that you cannot, I'll probably never, okay, what do I want to say? I'm not super articulate. I know that. I'm a storyteller, okay? So when it comes to explaining certain things, sometimes you just have to leave it to the experts. And I've watched this video several times. It talks about, again, 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Who doesn't have that, okay? Talks about what is blockchain technology. It talks about, oh man, it's just cool, man. So I'm going to leave it, it talks about open, close, hybrid, private. It's awesome sauce. So if you have 6 minutes and 26 seconds, listen to this video and it gives you an articulate, concise understanding of this vast topic. And the reason I'm posting this video, someone sent me an email that had a lot of questions about smart contracts, and I'm not going to say the person's name, but you know who it is. I'm kind of making this video for you, if you know what I mean. But anyhow, take a look at this, pass it along to a friend, enemy, or neighbor, but it's a great explanation about the blockchain. And it really opened my eyes because I always wanted to be a student. Again, this channel has been around since what, August 14th, 2017. I consider myself more of a cheerleader in the crypto space than an expert, but every day I want to learn a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. But this video, all joking aside, I found it fascinating, and it gives a concise, detailed explanation of blockchain. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, hope you're having a good evening. And that's it. Love y'all. See you later. Bye-bye.